Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to talk about infiltration. So, what is infiltration? Infiltration is a take place when precipitation reaches the soil surface or when this surface is exposed to submersion. So, how infiltration process occur? It is occur when water penetrating from ground to soil, and there are actually a few factors that affecting infiltration, which is first, condition of soil surface, vegetative cover, soil properties, hydraulic conductivity, and soil moisture. This process is controlled by in infiltration process. There are actually in infiltration there are actually three processes occur, which is first entry, second storage, and lastly transmission. And these processes are controlled by first pore sizes, macro features, depth of permeable soil, rainfall characteristic, soil moisture condition, and frozen soil. The capacity of infiltration is the process which water flows through the top layers of the soil under the process of gravity and pressure. It occurs at rate of which water enters the soil at the surface in per hour or cm per hour.
In infiltration measurement, we can use by the single ring infiltrometer, flood or watershed study, estimation from soil or vegetation type. For the definition of soil moisture storage is a minor component in terms of relative quantity, but it is a very important component of the hydrologic cycle. Soil water is held by the tension, and the unit of tension is 101.3 multiplied by 103 Newton per meter squared, or 10.3 meter water column. And the definition of soil tension is soil tension measured by the tensiometer, and the soil absorbed by water through the porous cup. The soil tension estimation is from the pressure in the air pocket. What method we can use for the soil moisture measurement? For the soil moisture measurement, we can use the three method, which is gravimetric method, neutron scattering method, and the time domain reflectometry. For the movement of soil water, we can define as the driving force. The driving force is gravity and the gradient of soil tension. The water has tendency to move the drier region, and the conductivity will increase with increasing moisturing.
Hi, I will talk about okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zodi bin Isri. My metric number is 196462. Okay, I want to explain about infiltration method. When the infiltration rate is limited by the infiltration capacity of the soil, a classical approach is to use an infiltration function. This function assumes that the infiltration capacity is a decreasing function of time. 3. Norton, Philip, and Green and Horton and Philip said, okay, I will explain about Horton and Phillips. Orta and Philip is an infiltration model developed as approximate solution of an exact theory, Richard equation, while Green M is infiltration model developed from an approximate theory to an exact solution. What is soil parameters? Green M model requires hydraulic conductivity, porosity, and wetting from sunshine heat. Okay, thank you. That's all. Now.